Now we will discuss one Chapit's method. It is general method of solving first order non-linear PDE in which there are two independent variables only. Let the given PDE of first order and non-linear in P and Q, which is f, which is function of x, y, z, pq equal 0. We know that dz equal pdx plus qdy. So Chapit's auxiliary equations dp by fx plus pfz equal dq by fy plus qfz equal dz by minus pfp minus qfq equal dx by minus fp dy equal dy by minus fq, which we should remember this thing, that is Chapit's auxiliary equation. Fx means del f del x. So Chapit's auxiliary equations are dp by fx plus pfz equal dq by fy plus qfz equal dz by minus pfp minus qfq, dx by minus fp equal dy by minus fq. Now we want to focus on the working rule while using the Chapit's method. There are 5 steps to solve a equation by Chapit's method. We discuss this one by one. Step 1. Transfer all terms of given equation to LHS and denote the entire expression by F. Step 2. Write down the Chapit's auxiliary equations. Step 3. Using the value of f in step 1, write down the values fx, fy, fz, fp, fq which are occurring in the step 2. Now step 4. After simplifying the step 3, select two proper fractions so that the resulting integral may come out to be simplest relation involving at least one of p and q. The step 4. Simplifying the step 3, select two proper fractions so that the resulting integral may come out to be simplest relation involving at least one p and q. Now the final steps is the simplest relation of step 4 is solved along with the given equation to determine p and q. The simplest relation in step 4 solved along with the given equation to help the determining p and q. Put the values of p and q in dz equal pdx plus qdy, which one integration gives the complete integral of PDE. Step 5. After finding the value of p and q, put the values of p and q in dz equal pdx plus qdy, one integration gives the complete integral of the PDE. Now we revise these 5 steps. First, transfer all the terms to left hand side and denote the interfunction by f. Write down the Chapit's auxiliary equation, then put the values of fx, fy, fz, fp, fq in the Chapit's auxiliary equation. After simplifying Chapit's auxiliary equation, putting the values of fx, fy, fz, fp, fq, select two proper fractions such that the resulting integral may come out to be simplest relation involving one of p and q. Then with the help of equation, find the value of p and q, and the final stage, putting the value of p and q in the equation dz equal pdx plus qdy. After integrating this, we find our required complete integral.